It's already episode 40 and welcome to season 4. So let's talk about season 3 and a few things about season 4. So muna itong istiyahan ka na episode.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Emoha Podcast.
So we finished season 3 already and then another episode or another season to be finished. So makinguntag paspas yung kinabuhi karon no. Natay mga chika karon nga episode. So sa dili ta magsugod atong paminahon kung kinsa atong sponsors. Episode 40 na and we are now 40% done sa ato ang road to 100 weeks of episode or the 100 weeks of upload. So taas-taas gina siya. It's more or less na siya sa 2 years na to na production no. And daghan kitag mga question pud ana kung unsa may tabo after the 100 weeks no. Padayon pa ba na podcast or dili na ba no? And I think ang audience may makadecide na if ipadayon ba ni siya or dili no. But so anyway, muna giingon nila ba na let's cross and burn the bridge when we get there. So wala na ibalikay na ni siya. So anyway, what we have learned in season 3. So first thing siguro sa akong nakatunan in season 3 is the value no. The value of life, the value of person, the value of opinion, and also the value of a content no. So let's start with the value of life and the value of a person no. So nakaingon jud ko na daghan kay mga nimbiya during season 3 ang akong uncle among Ero, which is among beloved good nga Ero. Og nasa koy kaila na namatyan to sila halos tibok pamilya sad na tungod sa sunog. And I mean ang iyang relatives, not really the direct family, but I think iyang relatives ato no. And wala na nako to siya himog episode is because it's not really appropriate no. And some of my Facebook friends na nakakita po ko na nakuhaan po sila gilahang family member no. And those are the things also that I noticed. And also, Jack Ma, kaluan naman Jack Ma kung kinsa na siya. Jack Ma also quoted that when we die, they will only forget us after 3 days, no? So, makalimtan natin nila after 3 days. And I think that's the value of a person, no? Most of the people forget their loved one after a week, or maybe after a month, no? Or maybe something now in a certain period of time and then they move on, no? Maybe because we're so resilient to all challenges in life. Or maybe people just don't care about something, no? So, I don't know, no? And I think that keeps me thinking also of really what we really wanted no to be remembered no. Maybe we just really want to be remembered just a week or maybe just a month or maybe we will be remembered in a lifetime no. Or maybe the real question there is that are we also resilient when we die no, or okay ba nato na kung inana lang ba sila no, kung limtan na tanila kung unsa ba na. So and I think that's how we value life nowadays no. And value of life meaning na mintas napakadis kalibutan no. And the value of a person normally is makita nimo ang value sa usa ka tawo kung wala na sila sa imo di ba, or wala na sila sa kalibutan. And that's the value of a person. What I mean about the value of life meaning napakadis kalibutan no. And if napakadis kalibutan then I think you do the right thing no? Or anything for the human race siguro no. Don't be selfish, don't be rude or something no. I think we're not robots or we're not computer no, and especially we are in the modern world na daghan kay mga artificial intelligence no. So I think daghan kay AI just to spice up the world, but again remember that we're still humans and we're not robots di ba. So I think diha na mo value ang saka person when they die. Makaingon din sila nimo nabutan kay kana tao, daghan kay kag mga memories na makuan sila no. Pero wala na ka, di ba? But again, they don't value you when you're alive, no? So muna siya akong lang difference between the value of life and the value of person is normally we value the person after they die, but we don't value their life actually. And then muna siya ako na if you're still alive, then I think you need to value life so that we can value the person as well. So muna siya, no? And then the next thing siguro sa akong masulti is the value of opinion, no? Or maybe a value of one's opinion, no? Kung kinsa tayo mga na opinion, no? And that's on our second list, no? There's a lot of valuable opinion out there, no? But you just need to find the right one. Mawag na siya. Not necessarily that you take their opinion, no? But instead, it's really nice to hear the other side of the story. Mula siyang gusto sa opinion, no? Maybe they have also their interpretation of the world or maybe unsa ilang masulti and certain things, no? And it's really up to us na lang if we will take it good no, kung unsa magud ang ilahang gustong ipaabot sa tuwa no. And same like this no sa aning podcast no, you don't have to take my opinion, but I think my other side of the story is worth listening man sad no. And mo na siya no, and then we just value other one's opinion no. So maybe you value my opinion, maybe you value other opinion, we just value their opinion no, but it's not necessarily that you need to take their opinion, di ba? And nalo ko yung mga discussion about vaccines, about politics, about the new variants, about the basketball, about relationship, daghan ko mga discussions no sa ako ang community, sa ako ang family, sa ako mga friends and everything no. And it's really nice to hear their opinions no, and meaning they have their own critical thinking sad nga makaingon sa sila in ani ang akong opinion. It's really nice to know unsa ilang stand about something no, and it's really good actually, though I have my own but not necessarily that I will take their opinion no. I think we just need to respect their opinion. Mawag na siya. And lastly, the value of a content. No? Everybody is a content creator nowadays. Kabalo na gyud tanan. I could say that all people with smartphones are content creators. Mo ginako. like a simple Facebook post siguro daghan kay makakuha na imong picture siguro or imong my day na mo na siya, it's already a content, no. Maybe you have a small blog or maybe rants or maybe shout outs, podcast maybe, or videos, musics, daghan kay mga content na mahimo, no. And I think most of the people now are content creators, no. But what I realized that during the season 3 or even earlier than season 3, daghang kay mga stupid videos in the internet na makaingon ka, wow, no, it's really easy, no. You can make stupid things for entertainment. It's because it's really so easy to be stupid. Wala na siya, no. And the worst part is that we are rewarding those stupid people. Kumbaga, no, kabantay ka na. And daghang kay mga ginago ng mga videos. And again, balik ko na ako, ginago ng mga videos, no. Na sila pa na yung mga dominant sa internet. And why, no? I think stupidity entertainment is different than smart entertainment, or maybe just a pure funny moments. Muna ganahan ko ng mga pure funny moments, but the stupidity, wag really, no. And I mean, don't be one of those people nga you influence people to be stupid in life. Wag really, no. I mean, try to check your content, no, if it's really have the value, no. Yeah, okay, fine, entertainment na, but is it really a valuable entertainment? Na may mga funny moments yun makingga, wow, makatawa jud ani, or maybe a smart entertainment is because they're too smart to do this entertainment, diba? Or maybe naabay, I don't know, sitcom or something, diba? Those are the good entertainment, but kanila mga stupidity na ambak ko ganani, maganana. I think that's why everybody now is a content creator, even though stupid people can make a content, no? And the worst part is that ato pa silang give reward, no? And yeah, anyway, I think really people just really want to be entertained and not to be educated. I think that's really the bottom line of that, no. So, and same thing that I check my own content from the first episode, no. And makaingon sa gud ko na nagoy mga episodes na dili maayo pagka-deliver, no. I mean, dili gid siya ana, no. The way I talk about it, dili siya maayo. And makaingon ko dili jud ko maayo, no. And napayuban ng mga explanation ako nabati or maybe nabitin ko sa explanation, no. And muna siya, that's the good thing that I noticed it, no. And that leads me to the things that I really want to talk about season 4, no. And muna siya kung gusto lang ibutang sa season 4 that I will improve the delivery of the content and the storytelling is still there, but I'll make it a better content. And I'm just evaluating myself since wala mo evaluate na ako, diba? So, nala ko yung mga good reviews sa Apple Podcast and sa YouTube. And thank you kay ninyo sa tanan, no, ng katong naghatag og reviews sa ako, and also the comments dako kay tagpuan sa ako. And then that's really part of my evaluation sa ako sa akong performance, especially sa inyong mga reviews and also to your comment, no. If tan-aw ninyong dili maayo akong content, then make some noise, no, na uy dili ni maayo imong content, di ba? And it's really good. It's because maybe nadyo kay sayop, or maybe dili ni para sa imo nga episode, or maybe dili anjo kumayo. Well, depende, no. Daghan kitag maingon ana, but ang ako lang gusto is that you have your share but also, no, and how to improve this podcast, no. So anyway, sa dili ta mahuman in episode, by the way, no, let me announce in advance that I will making another segment of Emoha Podcast. Actually, it's all about advice. So ang title sa aning nga segment is Emoha Advice or Emoha Tambag. Since it's too much to ask for feedback, but I rather ask for advice, is because I believe that you are an expert of Emoha Podcast. Muna siya kung ano. Because in Emoha Podcast, our listeners is the expert and not the creator, no. So, kumbaga, mas expert pa ang listeners kaysa creator. So, please, be updated sa ato ang public newsletter. Napan na siya sa Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Buy Me a Coffee. Dito na ko na siya ibutang kung ano saan ako i-launch ang new segment of Emoha Advice or Emoha Tambag. Anyway, you can always follow us on those social media. And of course, we're available in YouTube, Spotify, Kumu, and TikTok. And if you think our content give value to your day or maybe it's worth rewarding, then please follow us, no. Nagin may available mi sa atong mga social media, no. And if you think na dili gini para sa Emoha ang kanina podcast, no, then salamat kayo sa inyong pag-agayan in the podcast, no. And of course, alingin yung kalimti, no. Basta magluto, maglimpyo, manghugas, manglaba, magkaon, magkinusara, kanina podcast para sa Emoha. I'll see you in the next episode, and I always love you. See you, and amping mo tanan. Bye-bye.